ServiceNow Pioneers. In today's video, we'll be exploring how to create a form screen in Mobile App Builder, how we are going to achieve those configurations in Now Mobile. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced ServiceNow developer who is looking to strengthen your understanding or knowledge in Mobile App Builder, this series is for you guys. Please follow for more videos my YouTube channel Snow Pioneers. Without any delay, we'll be getting into today's topic. Before that, we have discussed an overview of mobile app builder and mobile architecture. I hope you guys have logged into your now mobile through using instance credentials. I hope so. So let's get started. So before that, like we will be navigate to mobile app builder under system mobile lab builder. Now mobile. So you are doing configurations in now mobile. So you have to be in application scope under now mobile. So under mobile app config, we need to navigate to now mobile. So we have discussed how to create like uh, navigation bar, how we are going to create the form screens and list screen in under this particular tabs we are going to see in these videos. So like this is our application configuration. Under that we have navigation bar, nothing but nav bar. This is home tab. These are all tabs, right? Settings tab, help center tab, notification tab. Under home tab, I mean, it's a launcher tab. Launcher tab is nothing but like it's a navigation tab displayed at the bottom of the mobile app. It provides quick access to the launcher screen, allowing users to switch between the different sections of the nothing. So under that, we have this launcher tab called home. So we are having this launcher screen home page. Open that record. Launcher screen is nothing but the it's a landing page of mobile app where users are able to uh, like see the options like different screens like functionalities or destination screens. So under that we are having this launcher section. Launcher section is a container within the launcher screen and that have some sections. It helps organize navigation items into logical categories. So under quick links, we are going to create our form screen. This is the icon section you are seeing here. Icon section is nothing but like one or more clickable options inside a launcher section, and it's used to represent a feature or module or business function. Nothing but our list screen, form screen, like so on. So already I have created some screens here, icon destination screens. Icon destination function we will be calling. So we'll create new function here. Before that, what is icon destination function? It defines the function executed when an icon is selected. Nothing but it's a connectivity from the mobile functionality or screen to the native web, right? So we'll select function. Function is nothing but a reusable navigation component that opens an specific screen or performs a defined task. Nothing but function. So in this series, we'll be using as create incident form. This is the naming we are using for this video. I mean, for the form screen. So we discussed about the function, right? So we'll create function. Before that, we need to choose an icon to represent our form screen. So nothing but we can select any. So far, like I will select as this bookmark icon. So you can select the color as well if you want. This is our icon. I want a different color. So it will visualize like this. So now we have to create our function. As I mentioned before, we are going to use the same name for this entire um, form screen configuration, nothing but like create incident form. So here you are seeing action item. Action item is nothing but a button or menu option that performs a single operation such as create, update, delete, or submit. It executes client side or server side logic when the user interacts with the particular button. So we have to create like take as context as global. Here is our action item. Before creating an action item, we are having table to select here. So this is our table. Sorry, incident. Select the table, and like when I want to create an incident from the form screen, I need to have this confirmation message like before an user submits this form. So I want to give as like, do you want to create an incident like this? So you have confirmation like labels like yes or no kind of thing. So create incident, else cancel, like kind of interactive buttons, like whatever the user selection based on the labels, I mean create incident or cancel, we will have the success message like an incident created successfully kind of thing we'll mention. Incident creation failed will give. So this is the messages we'll get whenever an user interacts with that buttons. So once the action completes, when the user interacts with the buttons, it needs to jump back to the previous screen, nothing but our home page screen. So you can give your role access based on the role ACL user access controls. It will be like accessible. So now we will create this action item. So provide the same name. As we discussed, the action item is nothing but a button or menu option that performs an operation such as create, update, delete, or submit. Create is nothing but new, means it will create a new instant. Already data item, I mean, the table has selected here. So now save this so far, refresh the page. Navigate to our under quick links. We are having this incident form, right? Create incident form. We'll give order as 50s to visualize in the first. So save this. Then go to our function, open record. So then we have action item. So under this, we are having data parameters, right? Here we are having UI parameters to create. So these are our UI parameters, like whatever the fields we'll be calling as in incident form, those are our parameters, nothing but fields. Here it's parameters we'll be calling. So caller is our mandatory field, right? So I'll take up that first, mandatory, and user input field as choice list or search list. Search list is nothing but like our reference field. Choice list is our like drop down one. So incident and field is caller, and provide the order as 100. It's, it's our first I mean field or mobile app. So for this, we need to create one data parameter as well. Here we'll create one data parameter with the same name, caller. Just save it, refresh. So like this, under that, sets field values, nothing but set field values is nothing but like whatever the field selection over the mobile, it will be binding the data over the default view. So we have to select this caller to caller, then save this, right? So we'll be creating multiple fields here. Go to function, select new. We want category, subcategory, give 200, then user input. Category is our choice list, so we'll be selecting choice list, incident, and category. Then we need data parameter as well for this. So create one data parameter, category, then do the mapping. Same like subcategory. So choice list again, incident, subcategory, then create data parameter again for subcategory as well. Go for this field mapping. Then go for data parameter. We need new fields called impact and urgency. Those also choice field. Then select the field. Impact. Then go for action item. Create new parameter as impact. Then do the following. Set field value for impact. Do the same for urgency as well. List. Intent. Then urgency. this order. So maintain the order correctly so that our fields will be aligned. So 300, already have 100 already. Okay. Go for create incident, create new data parameter, urgency, add as urgency, then go for function again, then create new parameter, assignment group, is a search list, add 100, incident, then assignment group, then go for action item, create new data parameter for assignment group, then set field values, assign group. Basically, it's not required for the end user, but I'm just showing for your um, trying to show you. And we need for description, and 100 text field. It is an open text, so remain as same thing. So create one data parameter, then set field value, then go for function again. One last field will create. Think about description, description. This is also text field, so order as 800. Then go to action item, then create one parameter to bind the data description, then set field values for description. So now save this form. Once we have saved the form, we need to check some mandatory fields for incident form. Like we have caller and short description or mandatory fields, right? So we'll take as mandatory. I already kept caller as mandatory, so no need to do anything. Save this and go back to your function. Open in platform view. Why? Because we need to do the parameter mapping here as well. So you are seeing, right, or whatever the UI parameters we have created, it was visible, right? So navigate to action parameters, click on new. This is called action parameters mapping. Whatever the data parameter and UI parameter we have created over the mobile app builder, we need to map those parameters here so that our data will be binded from mobile app to native view in ServiceNow. So we have category, then subcategory, you can do your configuration in both the ways. I am more comfortable with doing configurations in mobile app builder, so I was following the same. Now impact, based on impact and urgency, the priority will be selected, right? So I have taken up the impact and urgency as well over the form screen. Then we have assignment group, followed by short description, and description are the final ones we need to complete the action parameter mapping. The final one, description. So we have completed the action parameter mapping as well. So our data, whatever we are going to enter over the mobile, it will be binded to the native view as well. So now refresh the form. We'll go back and we'll do the navigation from start onwards. Now mobile. Then we are going to home tab, then launcher home screen, then open record, then navigate to quick links icon section. In, this is our icon section under launcher sections. Then icon section destination screen. We are seeing our create incident form. Yes, which we have created this one. This is our form. Then navigate to our function. This is our function, open function. So this is our form we have created. Now you can navigate to your Now Mobile and check the future how it's looking like in your mobile. Refresh when you are going back to your Now Mobile app and refresh and open that particular um, what we can call exactly the action item under the quick links. What the name we have provided, create incident form. Click on that and check on this thing. We have caller and short description as mandatory. Until unless you fill that fields, you can't able to see the particular button to submit. Just provide those required fields and try to submit all the fields. And I am trying out in my mobile. I'll try to show up in a video like how I was matching the things in, I mean, how I am adding the field values in Now Mobile, how I am creating the incident from the Now Mobile. You can guys also try in your uh, mobile app, and I'm navigating to my incident list. Now I have created one incident from the form screen. This is my incident I have created just before. This is my, you can see just now I have created. So you guys learned how to create a form screen, right? So this ends our form screen configuration. Thank you for watching my video, and we'll come up with multiple videos in future. Please do support me and please subscribe to my channel Snow Pioneers. Thank you.